I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. The flowers are your friends. The flowers are your brothers and sisters. The flowers are your healers. Remember that. Plants and herbs and flowers. This is the way of healing now. The vibration of your bodies as they are changing, and all earth bodies are changing, do not do as well with chemicals as bodies did in the past. Your bodies are no longer able to tolerate chemicals as well as before. Use things in their natural forms. Use herbal combinations, use flower combinations, use vibrational essences, use light, use sound, use your prayers. Lay your own hands on the places that you feel pain and breathe into it now.